thing I think sister asked was how many strong minds, how many average minds, how many weak minds. I was surprised to see I think maybe 4 or 5 people just raising their hands. Okay. Today this 40-minute talk. This 40-minute talk which I'm going to talk here. If you listen carefully, this is life skill I'm going to teach you. Now, if I ask you a question here, a general question, you need to move a little bit faster. General question. How many people, don't raise your hands, okay? How many people here have decided what they want in life? Just ask yourself. Many here with whom which I have been like interacting do not know what they want. They are all confused. Most of them are confused. Even in the science stream, when you ask, it's like either engineering, or it is medical, or it is paramedical, or it is research, or something else. Commerce is like wide open. The big question here is after 12th, what? I think those coming here will give you much more light on that, throw much more light on that. Here, what I'm going to teach you is a life skill. If you listen to this carefully, try to implement. I will give you the mantra to success in life. All. This is for all, not for here. I'm talking to the teachers here, those who are present here. It's a common talk. It's a common motivational talk, which is a success talk always. This is the third time I'm giving the talk here. Last time I gave it in Bombay, one in Narasopara. The third time which I'm going to talk about this. Now, if I ask you one question here, right, what is it that you want in life? Can anybody answer? What is it that you want in life? Satisfaction, peace, happiness, respect, money, the main thing. Why are we here? Money. I remember when I was teaching a second standard student, when I was running a tuition class, this girl, there was no light here at that time. Vasai was like all dark, pitch dark. And she used to like, I used to put candles so that she used to walk and study. In the night also she used to walk and study. And one fine day she's standing and going, sir, ये पेट नहीं होता तो कितना अच्छा होता? पेट, stomach. अगर stomach नहीं होता तो कितना अच्छा होता? I was wondering with that thought, how intelligent was that thought? Can you just imagine? Just think of it. We all actually make money to eat properly. खाना अगर नहीं खाना तो सोते रहो. कपड़े तो पत्ते वत्ते लगा के घूमो. जंगल में जाके रहो. करेक्ट? पानी तो कहीं से भी हो जाए. लेकिन पानी की भी जरूरत नहीं है. The main purpose is to eat. Are we eating well? One question. Are we surviving well? Do we know what we want? So this topic is, I'm going to teach you particularly get whatever you want. It could be money, it could be success, it could be fame, it could be peace, it could be happiness, it could be love, it could be anything. You can get that whatever you want if you follow certain principles. These principles are not made, these principles are existing in the world. But I'm going to throw light, I'm going to make you aware where you have to work, which area you have to work. Cover. Just click that. नीचे और एक हाँ yeah. So बड़ा कर देना. Slide show पे जाना. यहाँ पे. From the beginning. Okay, go for the next slide. The first thing, many people, I said, do not know what they want. You're just in the flow. We're just in the flow. We just go with the flow. Whatever. If your friend is following something, you follow that also. College को क्या अभी 12वीं के बाद जहाँ पे 200 जाएगा, there was a movie of Hrithik Roshan, Lakshya. Getting it? The most confused person. हम लोग उसमें से थे. But I remember doing my BCom first and I'm just running out of after the first examination. सब दोस्त लोग इधर है, रिक्शा पकड़ के कॉलेज में भाग के गए, पहुंचे सब लोग, and that was like heart paining session. तभी सब डिपार्ट कर गए. क्वेश्चन सबके माइंड में था, what next? First question today you want to ask yourself is, what you want? What is your life goal? What is your life goal and what is your life target? Unless and until you target something, you're not going to reach anywhere. किधर नहीं पहुंचोगे? बोलते ना, I give the example normally when you have to play the football particularly, you just keep on playing without a goal, you don't enjoy life. You need to have a goal to hit the goal. So if you don't have a goal, your temporary goals I can understand, music, dance, girlfriends, boyfriends, whatever it is, those are all on the peripheral areas. Will that give you the target? Will that give you the money? Will that give you the fame? Will that give you the personality you want to be? No. At the end of the time, dosti hai, dost log hai, it's fine. But at the end of the time, your friend might be your biggest enemy. You might stand in competition. I have been for interviews where my best competitor was my best friend. My best friend. काय का दोस्ती? उस टाइम पे ये देखना है मेरे को चाहिए, वो बोलेगा मेरे को चाहिए. हाँ, है दोस्ती fine, but when the reality comes, it matters where you are. Rajiv Gandhi का competitor was VP Singh. If you know Rajiv Gandhi, our earlier Prime Minister, उसका जो best competitor was VP Singh, उसका best friend. जैसे गद्दी गिर का आके बैठ गया था प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनके 3 महीना 4 महीना, बेस्ट फ्रेंड. सो you have to target what your goal is. The first reason why people don't get is because people don't know what you want. There is a confusion always in the house. बाइक खरीदो कि कार खरीदो, बाइक खरीदो कि कार खरीदो, मारामारी चलता रहता है. बाइक भी नहीं आता, कार भी नहीं आता, because they are still fighting. But when I get pissed off when you go to a restaurant, ना वो मेनू लेके बैठा है खोल के, can you see वो मेनू लेके, और फिर जेब कटोरे में लेता है, बोलेगा यार 220 4 लोगों का खाना कौन सा लेना है? Best thing, that's the best thing. And then you say, okay, over and out. Otherwise, you get out of it, or else you decide on the menu. People think that I want to go and have this. It's become simpler. Alright, if you have the farewell party, अभी तुम लोग दिसंबर में होगा. Farewell party is not planned, not designed. एक हफ्ते पहले वाले farewell यहाँ का तो बकवास होता है यार. इसके बाद कहाँ जाएंगे? The target is there, but you want to go to highway, you want to go somewhere else. This is targeted. So here also in life, if you target what you want, you get it. Now look at this. Everybody here is unique. 4 लोगों ने सिर्फ हाथ ऊपर किया था. बाकी लोगों को जब पूछा गया था कौन सा वीक माइंड है, 2 लोगों ने हाथ ऊपर नहीं किया, जो मे भी वो शर्मनाक था कि मैं बताना नहीं चाहता हूँ कि मैं वीक हूँ. But the moment like you accept and you want to improve yourself, कोई तुम लोगों को उठा के सक्सेस देने वाला नहीं है. Nobody. Alright? It depends upon system में जो बोलता है self belief. अमिताभ कमिंग 6 फुट 3 इंच का आगे खड़ा होता है, I want to become an actor. Alright? ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी बोलता है तुझा तेरा आवाज तगड़ा है, go to become a radio jockey. RJ बन जा. अमिताभ says I want to become an actor. शाहरुख खान comes with a Maruti 800 from Delhi, stands in that अपना मरीन लाइन्स का चौपाटी एरिया, रात को चिल्लाता वहाँ खड़ा रहे, I will conquer Bollywood. That is the power. शाहरुख खान का कोई बाप नहीं था इंडस्ट्री में. What is it? Everybody has it. You have it. But depends upon how you want to develop, how you want to improve in everything, so that you want to improve in health, you want to improve in power, you want to improve in fame, whatever. You have to decide it. This thing, I am just giving an example of mountain and volcano here. Mountain is in the landscape. सब चुप लेके जाएगा तो if you travel you will see mountain, but volcano दिखता है very rare. What is the difference here? The difference is to make a difference. Do you want to be in the same crowd? But get into the train, 8 बजे का ट्रेन में जाओ, 7 बजे तक ऑफिस में आ जाओ, वापस आ जाओ, वापस वही रूटीन, वापस. Do you want to be the same person? The first question. Or you want to be a volcano which erupts, which has got fire, which has got energy, which stands apart and says, yes, I am the power. I can change things, I can create things. Islands or lands are formed by volcano. You want to make a change, or you just want to be a normal person? तो जाता है, आता है, normal TV देखता है, normal picture जाता है, normal वड़ा सांभर खाता है, normal वड़ा पाव खाता है, बोलता चलो बच्चे लोग सो जाओ. or you want to be something extraordinary. That is here in your mind, nowhere else. Don't be a cold fish. There are people, cold fish का मतलब है ना मरा हुआ मच्छी. Have you seen that? I explain. I think this is the best thing I will say. किसी को सोफे पे से उठने को बोले हाँ वही it's like, you know, the girls particularly, they are cold fish for a period. For a period. The period zone is maybe till the period when they particularly get married. Till the marriage is like on cold fish. आराम से सोना, आराम से उठना, मम्मी बोलेगा नहीं ना, हंसी का झगड़ा, रुको, ऐसी है वैसी है, गाली गलौज चालू है. When you enter your in-laws, that fish is tandoori fish. बोलने की जरूरत है ना, खुद जाके तपेली में उड़ी मार. Mom ready? You don't have to, मम्मी जी चाय, मम्मी जी ये कर लो वो कर लो. It's like you don't have to be. So are you waiting for that moment where you're going to be a fried fish? Are you going to be waiting? कब तक चलना यार सोते क्या पता. I don't want to do anything यार. It's cool. We have time. अभी तो मैं सिर्फ 16 बरस का हूँ, 17 बरस का. अभी तो बहुत बाकी है. Wait till you reach 24-25. अरे जिंदगी बाकी है ना. ऐश कर. The ones who are smarter will have the target done. By that time they are 26, they are settled. They will be driving a fantastic car. और बाजू में से तुम लोग के पास चिक्कर उड़ा के जाएगा. अभी तुम लोग बोलेगा मैंने क्या किया था, अभी जिंदगी बाकी है. You particularly can't wait for the moment till everything goes in a mess. Here, when we are sitting, I want you to think very clearly. मैं बोलता हूँ तुम लोग में से यहाँ से weakest होंगे.